Hey, sorry, are you Bill?
Yeah. Hey, do I know you?
Maybe. Do you remember me?
I'm sorry, I don't think I do.
That's okay. I kind of expected that.
Did we work together? Or mutual friends, maybe?
No. College.
College?
Yeah.
College. Okay, wow. I'm trying here, I swear.
You're fine.
Oh, go ahead.
Thanks.
They order coffee. So, college. That's going back a while.
Yeah, we lived in the same dorm.
Wait, seriously?
Yep.
All right, now I officially feel bad.
Okay, help me out. Which dorm?
The tall one by the library.
Oh, man. What floor were you on?
The 9th.
No way. I was on the 7th.
I know.
How?
I used to see you in the elevator all the time.
Wow, I'm really sorry I don't remember.
Hey, it was years ago. Life happens.
Well, it's really nice seeing you again.
You too.
Your name is Monica, right?
Monica Sales.
Okay, see? Not a total loss.
I'll give you that.
So what are you up to these days?
I work nearby. This is kind of my go-to coffee spot.
Same. I come here when I need to think.
Still pulling all-nighters?
Nope, now it's just work and being tired.
Sounds about right.
Where do you live now?
I've got an apartment.
With your parents?
No, they moved out to the country.
Really? That actually sounds nice.
They love it. Quiet, fresh air, early mornings.
Yeah, that beats traffic.
So, do you live alone?
No, I share the place with an old friend.
Oh? Boyfriend?
Nope, she's a friend from school. We've known each other forever.
That's cool. Not a lot of people keep those friendships.
Yeah, it feels grounding.
What about you?
I rent an apartment. Just me.
You like living alone?
Most days. It gets quiet sometimes.
I get that.
It's also kinda noisy.
Neighbors?
Honestly, I'm the problem.
I had a feeling.
You really haven't changed much.
I don't know how to take that.
It's a compliment. Same vibe.
You look great.
Thanks. College feels like a lifetime ago.
Late nights, bad food.
And pretending we knew what we were doing.
Exactly.
It's funny how one question can bring all that back.
What? Do you remember me?
Yeah,
Memory's weird like that.
even if you forget faces, some connections stick.
I'm really glad you said hi.
Me too.
Hey, would you want to grab coffee again sometime? You know, without the awkward intro.
I'd like that.
Good. Next time, I promise I'll remember you.
I'll hold you to it.